Good morning students. Today we learn about the future tense and this video which is based on the future perfect tense. As we already learned about the future indefinite, any simple future and the future continuous tense. This is the third kind of the future tense, future perfect. Now come to the ID. What is the ID for this sentence, this tense? चुका होगा, लिया होगा या ली होगी. If I am giving some examples in Hindi, वह काम कर चुका होगा, वह खाना खा लिया होगा, वह काम कर ली होगी. Means चुका, लिया, ली. This is the combination of the perfect and the future होगा, होंगे या होगी. तो आईडी इज चुका होगा, लिया होगा, चुकी होगी, चुके होंगे, ली होगी या लिया होगा. What's the structure for the future perfect tense? The structure for the future perfect tense is subject, will have, verb third form and object. As we already know that we have to use verb third form with have. And in future tense we have to use only have, not a has, because with will we use only have. Have के साथ, will के साथ हम हमेशा have का यूज करते हैं, has का यूज नहीं करते हैं. As we already learned in present perfect and the past perfect tense that we have to use has or a have according to the subject, but here we have to use only have because we are using will. Means the structure is a subject plus will have plus verb third form plus object. If I am taking some examples, I will have done my work. I will have done my work. Here I used verb third form because I am using have. This is the sentence based on the future perfect. I subject, will, have, done. Done is the verb third form and my work is the object. I means मैं, will which describe the sentence is written in the future form. Future tense में given है. Have, it indicates the sentence is written in a perfect form. Its mean will have indicates the sentence is written in a future perfect. I will have done, कर लिया, my work. मैं अपना काम कर चुका होऊंगा. मैं अपना काम कर चुका होऊंगा. And now convert into negative part. I will have not. Simply you have to put only not after have. Have के बाद आपको not का use करना है and the sentence is converted into negative part. I will have not done my work. And in the time of a converting of a negative sentence or a positive sentence in interrogative, what you have to do? Simply write the linking verb before the subject. Linking verb को हम use करेंगे subject के पहले. Means will I have done my work. Simply you have to use will before the subject. Will I have done my work. And in the part of a negative, remember this one, you have to note down not before have, not have not. As in a positive sentence we have to use here have not, but in the interrogative sentence we have to use will I not have. Means you have to use will before the subject and not before the have. Will I not have done my work. I will have done my work. मैं अपना काम कर चुका होऊंगा. I will have not done my work. मैं अपना काम नहीं कर चुका होऊंगा.